In this video, we will illustrate the Stoics mindset for financial freedom. In particular, we will dive into 3 fundamental Stoic techniques for wealth creation. These techniques help ancient Stoic philosophers generate wealth without compromising their character. So with that said, let's get right into it. Now, the first question is, what is the Stoics' view on money? Now, the Stoics believed in focusing on what we control. According to them, all we truly control are our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. As such, they understood that money is never totally in our control and advised us not to attach our self-worth to money. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus put it, if you can make money remaining honest, trustworthy, and dignified, by all means do it. But you don't have to make money if you have to compromise your integrity. Now let's move on to the first mindset that Stoics have when it comes to finances. So the first one is to manage your expectations. Now the Stoics believe that when it comes to money, our expectations are almost always too high. For example, we expect our financial investments and business decisions to always go our way, and that people or the market should and will conform to our wishes. According to the Stoics, by having this mentality, we are asking to be disappointed by setting our expectations too high. They advise us to be more pessimistic with our financial decisions, as this will make us less likely to make irrational and impulsive financial decisions. So that's our first technique, which is managing your expectation. Now, the second technique is manage your emotions. As we saw in the previous technique, all we truly control are our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. By being more in tune with what we control, we can understand that recessions, soaring inflation, or high gas prices are not in our control and should not lead us to make irrational decisions. We can make better financial choices by staying calm and focusing on what we control. Now, practice number 3 is to practice patience. According to the Stoics, making money is a habit of consistency. We must understand that to achieve our financial goals, we must work. We gain financial freedom by showing up every day regardless of the outcome and putting in the work. By trying to chase the next big trend, we expose ourselves to irrational financial decisions that are out of our control. As the Roman emperor and famous Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius tells us, nothing important comes into being overnight. Even grapes or figs need time to ripen. If you say that you want a fig now, I will tell you to be patient. First, you must allow the tree to flower, then put forth fruit, then you have to wait until the fruit is ripe. So there you have it then. That is how we use a Stoics mindset to gain financial freedom. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, and if you enjoyed this video, then please feel free to like it and share it with your friends. And if you're interested in more Stoicism content, then consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.